In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion Calendar colorful. By the end, you'll have a clean, color-coded calendar that makes it easy to spot what matters at a glance. Start in your Notion Calendar view. Open the Calendar Settings menu, the View options in the top right of the calendar. From there, go into Edit Properties. This is where you control which database properties appear on your calendar cards and where you'll add the property that powers your colors. Create a new property, give it a clear name like category so you'll recognize it later on each event. Right after naming it, change the property type to select. Select properties are perfect for color coding because each option can have its own color badge. Now add your first option. Click. Add an option and type a label that matches how you group your events. Think work, personal, meeting, deadline, or anything that fits your workflow. Add as many options as you need to cover your typical event types. Keep the list focused so your colors stay meaningful and easy to remember. Next, click one of the options you just created to open its settings and choose a color. Pick a distinct color that stands out on your calendar. Repeat this for each option, assigning a different color to each one. Try to use high contrast shades and avoid colors that are too similar so you can tell them apart at a glance. You can always adjust these later if a color isn't working. Return to your calendar and open any event by clicking it. In the event's details, you'll see the category field you just created. Click the empty field next to it and select one of your options. As soon as you assign a category, the event will display the corresponding color on your calendar. That's the magic. Do this for your existing events and keep assigning a category whenever you create something new, and your calendar will stay organized and colorful automatically. If you don't see the category field on your event card, head back to Edit Properties and make sure it's toggled on to show in this view. A quick tip: keep your color palette consistent across workspaces or teams so everyone reads the calendar the same way. You can rename options or change colors anytime without breaking your setup. That's it. With a single select property, a few labeled options, and a quick color choice for each one, your Notion calendar becomes a clear, color-coded dashboard you can scan in seconds.